Hey everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you a comparison between ElevenLabs versus Play.ht and Speechify and finally Voice AI over here. So you can see we have all these platforms head to head and you can see their interfaces. These are the audios that are offered inside Play AI. So you can see we have multiple language support as well, but you can see it is actually limited, and same goes for other voice AI as well. So you can see we have voice agents, we have voice cloning, noise removal. So this is something, a unique feature inside voice AI. You can even reduce noise. You have text to speech, you can add in here. You can tell a story, tell them a joke. You can simply generate your audio. You can see we have the amount of different audios, but it is actually limited. So we do not have that amount of audios that we get inside ElevenLabs. So you can see the audios, or we can even jump to voices section, and there you will be able to see that we have literally endless amount of voices to choose from. So the list literally goes on, and a lot of voices to offer. And if you head over to text to speech, you can generate your audio as well. Similarly for Speechify, we have the same uh, type of prompt box. You can see you can enter in here your text, and the audios are basically limited. So basically Speechify is better for cloning audios of um, popular celebrities, and you can simply go with, you can see if you generate this is how it is going to be sounding for the female version. So let's just see how it is going to be sounding.
This is my comparison. B-Twin, ElevenLabs versus Play.ht versus Speechify versus Voice AI. I hope you can choose what suits the best.
Okay, so let me just fix the spelling over here. Alright, so the same prompt, we can enter that inside voice AI as well, and you can see and hear which sounds the best. By the way, you can get 50% off onto ElevenLabs, and that is just flat 50%
This is my
off.
comparison between ElevenLabs versus Play.ht versus Speechify Voice AI. I hope you can choose what suits the best.
Okay, so this was really good as well. If we jump to our version, let me just fix up some typos, and you can play this. It is going to be loading. So for this, you're going to be needing to sign in, so you can enter in here your details, and it is going to be generating your audio. You can choose from the list of different audios as well. So finally we have ElevenLabs. So you've heard about it in our videos a lot. You can generate your speech for this as well.
This is my comparison between ElevenLabs versus Play.ht versus Speechify versus Voice.
You can even increase the speed and fix everything and generate that again.
This is my comparison between ElevenLabs versus Play.ht versus Speechify versus Voice AI. I hope you can choose what suits the best.
Alright, so you heard the comparison between all of them. So if you switch to a different model for ElevenLabs, you can see we have V3, and let me just fix this. Okay, so you can even get better results out of it. You can see the stability and everything. If I generate it now, you'll hear that it is by far the best voice generating software
This is my
online.
comparison between ElevenLabs versus Play.ht versus Speechify versus Voice AI. I hope you can choose what suits the best. This is my comparison between ElevenLabs versus Play.ht versus Speechify versus Voice AI. I hope you can choose what suits the best.
So you got the point, right? This is literally sounding the best. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.